In this problem, we need to find the future amount when $40 is invested at 6% compounded continuously after a period of 3 years. Okay, notice it's compounding continuously, so we're going to be using the PERT formula, which is the future amount is equal to the principal times E raised to the RT power. So we have our principal of $40 is invested at 6% compounded continuously. So 40 times E from your keyboard raised to the RT power. So we'll put in 0.06 for the 6% interest, and time should be given in years. So the future amount would be $47.89, rounding that to the nearest cent. Okay, now that doesn't seem like so much money that you've earned. I mean, the interest you've earned is just $7.89 when you subtract off the 40 that you put in the first place. But you've got to keep in mind you only put in $40. So, what if it was $400 that you had invested? Okay, now you've made $78.89. Or what if you put in $4,000 to begin with? Now you've made $788.87. What if you put in $40,000? Okay, or let's say that you've put in $4,000 for, instead of 3 years, what if you put it in for 25 years? All right, so now you've earned $13,926.76. Or you could up this. You could up your interest rate. What if you were getting 7% interest instead of just 6% interest? Okay, so there are several variables here. You've got the amount that you are starting with, your principal. You have your interest rate that could vary. You have the number of years could vary, and you have the number of compoundings. This is continuous compounding, but you could do daily compounding, monthly, and so on. But just going back to the problem that we had, it was $40 with 6% interest over a period of 3 years with continuous compounding. So the future amount would have been $47.89.